welcome back to my channel, Mist of Knowledge, and I am Shahama. As you all know, we are going to make a Python programming of the count of vowels in a string. So here you're going to know how many vowels are there, and we are going to use the dictionary format. So here we're going to know how many A, E, I, O, U's are there instead of each and every vowels. That's how you're gonna know. You'll understand it furthermore with the example and explanation. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the string is for the input, and they ask you to enter your words. And string for case fold is actually when I write A, E, I, O, U, it's in these small case letters. But whenever I want to know a vowel, it should be in either capital or small letters. So to identify that, we should make it case fold. That's why we give string case fold. And next is the count, and here we use the from keys, which is a dictionary form. So to form a dictionary format, we use the from keys. Here it's going to be like vowels and the count. 0 stands for the count, and vowels will be A, E, I, O, U. You'll understand with the example. So this is the programming for the count. So here it's like if the character is in the string, and just change it here to count. Okay, now if the character is in the string, the count should increase by 1. That is the program. And then the next thing is you should print the count, which is the from keys format. Now let's just save this and then run it. You can save like vowels or something. I'm just gonna save it like this, and I'm gonna run this. Okay, so here I wrote hello. We are doing a Python programming of vowels, and here as you see, you can get 3 A's, 4 E's, and 2 I's, 6 O's, and 0 U's. This is the dictionary format where there is vowels, where are vowels, and each A, E, I, O, U stands for. And the 0 is the count, where A's count is 3, E's count is 4, I's count is 2, O's count is 6, and U's count is 0. So this is the dictionary format. And this is all about finding the vowels in a sentence. Hope this was useful to you guys. And don't forget about the from keys. It's for the dictionary format. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So bye.